Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to apply for an Amazon store card. This is a great way to access special financing options and rewards when shopping on Amazon. So let's walk through the application process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. After you're signed in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Account. This will take you to your main account settings page. Now scroll down through the various sections until you locate Amazon credit cards. Click on this option to explore the credit card offerings available to you. On the next screen, you'll see information about different card options. Click on Learn more about the cards available without a Prime membership. This will help you view cards that don't require an active Prime subscription. You'll now see different card options displayed. Navigate to the Amazon Store Cards section, and just below it, click Learn More. This will provide you with detailed information about the benefits, terms, and features of the Amazon Store Card. Take a moment to review this information to ensure it fits your needs. When you're ready to proceed, click Apply Now. This will start the formal application process. The first thing you'll need to provide is your address information. Enter your street address, city, state, and zip code in the designated fields. Make sure everything is accurate, as this information will be used for verification purposes. Once you've filled in these details, click Continue. Next, you'll be asked to provide your date of birth. Enter this information carefully to avoid any issues with your application. Following that, you'll need to enter your SSN or ITN. This is a standard requirement for credit applications and helps verify your identity. After that, provide your annual net income. This gives the issuer an idea of your financial situation and ability to manage credit. Once all these fields are complete, click Continue to move forward. You're almost there. The final step involves reviewing the terms and conditions of the card. Read through them carefully to understand the interest rates, fees, and other important details. Once you've reviewed everything, check the I agree box to indicate your acceptance of the terms. Then click Submit Application to finalize your request. Now you'll need to wait for a decision. In most cases, Amazon provides an instant decision, so you should see a response within moments. If you're approved, you'll receive a virtual card number immediately, which means you can start using your new Amazon store card for shopping right away without waiting for the physical card to arrive in the mail. And that's it. You've successfully applied for an Amazon store card. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.